Hey there, it's Sarah. Ever find yourself struggling to keep a conversation going with a younger woman? Today, we're going to cover strategies to help you never run out of things to say. We'll go through practical tips that make communication engaging and meaningful. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and prepared to have interesting conversations that flow naturally. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video, which ties all these points together beautifully. Stay tuned for it. Before we dive deeper, if you're looking to level up your dating game, click on the link below for a free 1-hour chat with our expert coaches. Ready to improve your communication skills and connect better? Let's get going. 1. Understand generational differences. Each generation has its own unique communication styles and interests. For example, younger women might be more into social media trends, the latest tech gadgets, or popular TV shows and music that you might not be familiar with. To bridge these gaps, start by getting familiar with what's popular today. Spend some time on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter to see what's trending. Follow popular influencers and take note of the topics they discuss. This will give you a better sense of what younger women are interested in. Another way to connect is through technology. Younger generations are often tech-savvy and enjoy discussing new apps, gadgets, or advancements in tech. Keeping up with these trends can give you plenty of conversation starters. Lastly, don't shy away from asking questions about their interests. This shows that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them and can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations. For instance, if they mention a new TV show they're binge-watching, ask about the plot, characters, and what they like about it. By understanding and embracing these generational differences, you'll find it easier to keep the conversation flowing and make a meaningful connection. 2. Active listening. It shows that you're genuinely interested in what the other person is saying. One effective technique is paraphrasing. When she shares something, rephrase it in your own words to confirm you've understood. For example, if she talks about her favorite hobby, respond with something like, "So, you really enjoy painting because it helps you relax?" Asking open-ended questions is another key technique. These are questions that can't be answered with just a yes or no. They encourage her to share more about her thoughts and feelings. Instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" try, "What was the highlight of your day?" This invites her to elaborate, giving you more to work with in the conversation. Showing genuine interest is also important. Nod, maintain eye contact, and respond with enthusiasm. Little cues like these show that you're engaged. If she mentions a trip she recently took, follow up with questions about her experiences, what she enjoyed most, and what she learned. Active listening can lead to deeper conversations. For instance, if she talks about a challenge she's facing, listen carefully and respond thoughtfully. Share your own experiences if relevant, and offer support. This creates a bond and shows that you're someone she can talk to openly. By practicing active listening, you'll keep the conversation lively and meaningful, ensuring she feels heard and valued. 3. Finding common interests. This is a great way to keep conversations flowing effortlessly. When you share hobbies, favorite movies, music, or travel experiences, it opens up endless opportunities for engaging dialogue. Start by asking about her interests. Simple questions like, "What do you like to do in your free time?" or "Do you have a favorite movie or band?" can reveal a lot. Listen to her responses and look for overlaps with your own interests. If she loves hiking and you enjoy nature too, dive into that topic. Share stories about your favorite trails or ask for her recommendations. When it comes to music and movies, find out her favorites and share yours. If she mentions a band you both like, talk about your favorite songs or concerts you've attended. If movies are her thing, discuss genres you both enjoy, and suggest some titles you think she might like. Travel experiences are another rich area for finding common ground. Ask her about the best places she's visited or where she dreams of going next. Share your own travel stories and tips. This not only keeps the conversation going, but also gives you both ideas for future adventures. Introducing your interests is important too. Talk about your hobbies in a way that invites her to join the conversation. For example, if you're into photography, say, "I love capturing landscapes. Have you ever tried photography?" This opens the door for her to share her experiences or ask questions. 4. Use humor and lightheartedness. A well-placed joke or funny story can lighten the mood and make both of you feel more relaxed. Pay attention to what she laughs at or the type of jokes she enjoys. This will guide you in choosing the right kind of humor. Remember, humor can vary widely, so it's important to be observant and respectful. When sharing humor, keep it light and avoid controversial or sensitive topics. A simple, funny anecdote from your day or a humorous observation can be very effective. For example, if you had a funny experience at the grocery store, share it. It shows you're relatable and can laugh at everyday situations. A great tip is to use self-deprecating humor sparingly. Making a light joke at your own expense can show confidence and humility, but don't overdo it. Balance is key. Also, if she shares something funny, laugh along and add to it. This creates a shared moment of joy and connection. Humor has a way of creating a relaxed atmosphere. For instance, if she seems nervous, a well-timed joke can ease the tension. If you're both laughing, the conversation naturally becomes more engaging and comfortable. By using humor appropriately and understanding her sense of humor, you can make your interactions more fun and enjoyable, fostering a relaxed and positive connection. Hope this video is sparking some ideas for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level, why not sign up for our free dating strategy call? Discover effective strategies to meet more women and boost your confidence. Check out the link in the pinned comment now. 5. Be genuine and authentic. Trying to impress by being someone you're not is never the right approach. Authenticity builds trust and creates a real connection. Start by being yourself. Share your true interests, thoughts, and feelings. If you love cooking, talk about your favorite recipes or cooking disasters. If you're passionate about a hobby, let that enthusiasm show. Authenticity is attractive because it shows confidence and self-awareness. Discussing real, relatable topics can make conversations more meaningful. Talk about your experiences, both good and bad. Share what you've learned from them. For instance, if you faced a challenge at work, discuss how you overcame it. This not only shows your character, but also invites her to share her own experiences. When expressing your thoughts and feelings, be honest. If you find something funny, laugh. If something makes you think, share your thoughts. This openness encourages her to be genuine too. For example, if you both enjoy music, talk about why certain songs resonate with you. This can lead to a deeper conversation about emotions and memories tied to those songs. Authenticity also means being okay with vulnerability. It's all right to admit you don't know something or to share a personal story that might be a little embarrassing. These moments of honesty can strengthen your connection. 6. Keep up with current events and trends. Staying informed shows that you're connected to the world and can discuss topics that interest her. Start by regularly checking reliable news websites like BBC, CNN, or Reuters. These sources cover a wide range of topics, from global events to lifestyle trends. Social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram are also great for staying updated. Follow popular accounts and hashtags to see what's trending. Entertainment channels on YouTube or streaming platforms like Netflix and Hulu can give you insights into what's popular in movies, TV shows, and music. Watching the latest series or listening to trending music can provide plenty of conversation starters. For example, if a new blockbuster movie is getting a lot of buzz, watch it and share your thoughts. Ask her if she's seen it and what she thinks. This can lead to a fun and lively discussion. Similarly, if there's a viral trend on social media, mention it and see if she's noticed it too. These topics are often lighthearted and easy to talk about. Discussing current events can also be interesting. If there's a major news story, bring it up and ask for her opinion. Whether it's a groundbreaking scientific discovery or a significant political event, these conversations can be both engaging and informative. By staying updated with current events and trends, you'll always have something relevant and interesting to talk about, making your conversations more dynamic and enjoyable. Bonus tip: the power of storytelling. Sharing personal stories and experiences can make your conversations more engaging and memorable. People love hearing stories because they create a connection and bring emotions into the conversation. To tell a compelling story, start with a clear structure: a beginning, middle, and end. Set the scene with some context, explain what happened, and wrap it up with the outcome or lesson learned. Include enough details to make the story vivid, but keep it concise to maintain interest. Focus on creating an emotional connection. Talk about how you felt during the events of your story. Emotions are powerful and help your listener relate to your experience. For example, if you're telling a story about a challenging hike, describe the thrill of reaching the summit and the exhaustion you felt along the way. Here's an example. Share a story about a memorable trip you took. Start with why you chose the destination and a bit about your journey. Describe a specific moment, like getting lost in a foreign city, and how you found your way back, meeting interesting locals along the way. Talk about the emotions you felt, the initial frustration, the unexpected joy of discovering new places, and the satisfaction of overcoming the challenge. By mastering storytelling, you can captivate a younger audience, making your conversations more dynamic and enjoyable. Personal stories add depth to your interactions and leave a lasting impression. So now you know how to talk to younger women. What's next for you? Discover 6 subtle signs a younger woman is checking you out. or learn the signs a younger woman is secretly impressed by you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.